This simple natural drink can help cleanse your liver overnight. First, we're gonna need warm water. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, take 1 lemon, wash it well, and rinse it with clean water afterwards. Then you're gonna cut the lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals in the liver. They contain citrus flavonoids, which stimulate glutathione production, the liver's most important detox enzyme. The acidity of lemon increases bile flow, helping the liver break down fats and toxins more efficiently. If you are watching our videos for the first time, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy health tips. Place the lemons into a blender. Now we're gonna take 15 grams of ginger. We're gonna peel it and then we're gonna slice it into smaller pieces. This root is a liver protective powerhouse, loaded with bioactive compounds like gingerols and shoggols. Ginger reduces inflammation in liver cells, helping prevent fatty liver disease. It stimulates digestion, reducing the liver's workload. Studies show ginger may enhance liver enzyme activity, speeding up toxin breakdown. Put ginger into the blender. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey. It's not just for sweetness, but for powerful liver benefits. You see, honey contains polyphenols and organic acids that reduce liver inflammation. It supports glycogen production, helping the liver store energy and recover from stress. It has been linked to a lower risk of fatty liver disease and improved fat metabolism. Cover everything with 480 milliliters of warm water. Now blend everything together. Strain a mixture through a sieve and your liver cleansing drink is ready. This is how you're gonna use it. Drink 1 glass before bed for 2 weeks and let your liver work its magic overnight. Try this recipe and let me know how it works for you. And remember, if you're hypersensitive to any of these ingredients, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor first. This video is not a medical advice. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.